Do you want to know how to teach subtraction of integers with integer chips? You're totally in the right place. Do you need to have a fast way to hand off intervention lessons to your paraeducators? Again, totally in the right place. So stay tuned, we've got what you need. This video will show you a math intervention lesson on subtracting integers using integer chips, an excellent alternative for students who struggle with the understanding of adding opposite strategy or subtraction on a number line method. You with me? All right, I will demonstrate a complete step-through lesson with integer chips and the power of zero pairs that you can implement in your classroom starting today. Hi, my name is Bran Hicks, and I'm the founder of Teachtastic Publishing and Teachtastic IEPs, a place where teachers get differentiated training and materials for use in everyday classrooms just like yours. Let's get to our lesson. The first step is to review the academic vocabulary with your students. In this lesson, we have integer, positive, negative, and zero pairs. Step 2, to ignite the previous knowledge with the lesson introduction example or a question. In this lesson introduction, give each student a set of 10 integer counters and a 10 frame. Tell the students that the red side is negative and the yellow side is positive. Display one negative counter in the top box of the 10 frame. Display one positive counter in the bottom of the 10 frame. This is a zero pair. It is one positive number added to a negative number to equal 0. When adding zero pairs to an equation, they do not change the equation because they cancel each other out. It's like adding a 0. Repeat with multiple number combinations to illustrate that it will always equal 0 when even amounts of positive and negative numbers are added to each other. Hey everybody, if you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that bell, and you'll get notified every time we post new content. Now, let's get back to our lesson. Step 3, ask a guiding question. The guiding question for this lesson is, how do zero pairs help visualize integer addition or subtraction? Let the students talk and share ideas based on their previous knowledge of addition, subtraction, and how numbers minus its opposite is equal to 0. Teacher modeling. Say, I'm going to model a subtraction sentence with integers -4 minus 2 equals blank. Show. Place 4 integer counters orange side up in a row. Say, I now have 4 negative counters. Do I have 2 positive counters to subtract? If yes, we subtract them and get our solution. If no, we need to use zero pairs to help us find our solution. Listen to the students' responses. There should be a no response. Repeat the question. Do I have 2 positive counters to subtract? How do I get 2 positive counters but not change the original -4? First, we must use zero pairs to give us the needed 2 positive counters. I'll show you how that works. Show. Place 2 zero pairs next to the 4 red counters. Say, now do I have 2 positive counters that I can subtract? The students' responses, hopefully, are a yes. Show. Remove the positive counters from the 10 frame. Ask, how many counters are left and what kind are they? The students' response, 6 counters are left and they are negative. Say, the solution to -4 minus 2 equals is what? Question mark. What does the counter model tell us? Listen, the solution to -4 minus 2 equals -6. You're going to need to repeat this several times with multiple different options. new teaching tool in your toolkit, what is one way that you'll use this in your classroom? Let me know in the comments below. Independent practice. Give the students a set of integer chips and the practice worksheet. First, read the worksheet instructions and remind the students that the highlighted words are the instruction words. Then ask them to read the highlighted words with you and define their word meanings. Next, the students will complete the differentiated worksheet with or without the manipulative assistance based on their current level of understanding. If you've already purchased this lesson plan, there are 4 practice worksheets to choose from. This will leave you 3 more practice sessions for students to demonstrate mastery. Assessment. The assessment worksheet is differentiated so that it contains 4 skill-specific questions: oversized fonts and graphics, highlighted text, and a proficiency scale for fast feedback. As a release from scaffolding of the manipulatives, students will not be given the integer chips on the assessment, but can doodle them on their page if needed. Teaching tip. If your integer chips or counters don't have positive and negative symbols on them, use a permanent marker to add signs for further clarity to the students who may be confused by just the colors. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, and stay tuned. You'll get notified every time we post new content. Remember to put in the comments that one way that you're going to use this method in your classroom. I look forward to seeing you in the comments. Be the teacher you want to be. It's all for the kids, and excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. So get out there and be teach-tastic.